Welcome back everyone. If you're a new subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to cover your bra cup. So right here I'm using a doll face satin. So now the first thing is for you to get the midpoint of your cup and notch it out. Then the midpoint up and the midpoint at the down. So I've done that right here, and I'm going to place my fabric on it this way. So I'm going to begin my pleat from the midpoint. It's very easy, guys. My pleat is going to fold on the midpoint. You have to take your time, fold well, make sure it's also on the midpoint down, lapping on the midpoint down, then you pin it. For this you need lots of pins, and you have to take your time. Okay, can you see? Easy, right? Now you come to the other side and you also fold, you fold and you pin down. Fold again and pin. And also you fold again and you. So this is it right here. Now on this other side I'm just going to come right here and also fold to face this side. So all the pleats are not going in one direction. You can see. You just have to be careful with your pins. So you fold again. Look at it right here. You can see, right? Well pleated. So right now I'll go ahead to my sewing machine and I'm going to stitch it round. I'm going to stitch it round. I'll just follow this. Guys, I've gone ahead to sew it on my sewing machine. You can see how lovely it looks. So now I'm just going to trim out the excesses so you can see how it is. So So guys, I've gone ahead to trim the excesses. You can see how beautiful it is, guys. Wow, wow, I love this. So guys, this is how to cover, one of the ways to cover your bra cups. Attach it to my dress, and see you in my next tutorial. If you're a new subscriber, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also share my videos to other designers, and also turn on your notification bell and drop a comment for me. Thank you. Bye. See you in my next tutorial.